Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all how to make a very delicious barbecue jerk shrimp, and we're also using it to make a fried rice recipe. So if you'd like to see this combo of 2-in-1, keep watching. To make this, we're going to start with seasoning our shrimp with some store-bought Caribbean Flavours jerk seasoning. This is readily available in Trinidad and it's also available here in South Florida. Give that a good mix. Next, go in with some green seasoning and mix that in. After it's mixed in properly, we're going to go ahead and cover it and set it aside and allow it to marinate for about 15 minutes. You really don't want to marinate this overnight. Next, we're going to take our shrimp, and I'm using my original three-way skewer. I will leave the link for this product in the description box, and I'm skewering on those shrimp. If you don't have one of these, you can just use regular skewers. Once you finish, put them on. We're going to head outside. Now I'm going to be grilling these on my fireside. You can use any grill you would like. Some spritzing, some spray, just to add some oil to that rack, and then I'm placing on my skewer with our shrimp. We're going to allow it to cook until it starts to turn pink, but don't let it cook 100%. So as it turns pink and it's still raw, we're going to give it a flip, and I'm going to take some jerk barbecue sauce by the same Caribbean Flavours, and we're going to be brushing it all over the shrimp. We'll allow it to cook until it's nice and pink on the other side, and then we'll flip it and we'll baste the other side with this jerk barbecue sauce. Flip and baste again. After you've basted it, you're going to allow it to finish cook. You want to make sure that it's completely pink, and that fire is going to add so much more flavor to this with that smokiness. So don't leave it for too long because you don't want to overcook the shrimp. Once it's finished, you can go ahead and remove it from your fire and remove it from your skewer. Guys, these smell and taste so amazing. You will not believe how amazing this tastes. Don't just make regular jerk shrimp. Make sure you use the barbecue sauce to finish it. It's amazing. So I'm just going to remove it from the skewer. And this skewer makes it really easy. Just by pushing down on that centerpiece, all of the shrimp slide right off. And you can even use it for chicken or beef. I'm garnishing with some dried parsley, or you can use fresh. And at this point, you can serve this as jerk shrimp. But today, I'm going to turn it into a fried rice dish. So in a saute pan, I'm adding in some oil. Once the oil comes up to temperature, I'm going to go in with some chopped onions, some chopped pimento pepper and sweet peppers, some chopped mushrooms, chopped celery, salt and black pepper to taste, and toss. We're going to cook this until it has a light brown color. Make sure your onions cook really well. And once it has a nice light brown color, we're going to add in our cooked rice, and I'm using day-old rice here. Go ahead and start mixing that. Allow it to fry up for about 1 minute. And you can make sure and taste and season the rice. I'm adding in that shrimp now. I took the tail of the shrimp off, and we're going to toss the shrimp in the rice. and you'll see how that shrimp is going to add color to the rice. So you don't need to add any type of browning or soy sauce here. Just give it a good mix and make sure and taste it and adjust your salt. Finish with some freshly chopped parsley and mix that in. And then this is ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy recipe. Make it with chicken if you like. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Please comment down below and let me know if you try this recipe and what do you think. And I will see you guys in my next video. Please remember to stay safe. Bye.